Hi, this is Sean from the channel Wolf Dog Moon, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Gundam GP01 Zephyranthes. If you like this kind of content, please consider smashing that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Ring the bell for notifications and comment down below. Let us know what you think. Okay, for a more in-depth tutorial on how to put these together, we've left the link in the description below, and that video will show you and walk you through the different tools that you can use to put these together and just the different aspects of how these Gundams are built. And again, the link is in the description below. Let's get into this. First thing we'll do is give you a little bit of a look at the box. The box art is tremendous. You got an epic close-up of the face of the Gundam, and then this epic badass pose here with the Gundam with the gun. Just let me show you the side panels of the box. Here's what you got on this side. So it shows you the process of putting it together, and the skeletal frame that you begin with. And then this is this side. And again, this is the real grade series, I think it's called. So it's a little more detailed than the previous one that I uploaded to the channel, but essentially you put them together the same. This one just has more decals and little details, and I'll show you that in a second. Here's the other side of the box. And the back is just black. Again, here's what it looks like. Okay, let's open up the box and I'll show you the manual. Give me 1 second. And similar to the other one, it comes with some other different parts that you can use. Different laser swords and stuff. And some different extra little pieces that you can customize the Gundam. Put this to the side. Here's the manual right here. I'll just walk you through the manual pretty quick. Again, we have a more detailed instruction of how to put these together, and the link is in the description below. Here's the different grills. You got different modes that it goes into. So the chest area also turns into this jet. So you build this jet, and then as you're building the rest of the figure, that becomes the chest of the figure. Pretty cool. So what it looks like putting it together. Again, it's a much more detailed tutorial in the description below. But here's the different specifications. So let's take a look at the figure. Okay, I kept you in suspense long enough. Without further ado, this is the finished Gundam. A little dust right there. Sorry about that. I'll just rotate this a little bit so you can get a look at the back. Right now I have it on a stand that I bought separately, that you can pose the figure in different ways. But let me take you a little closer. As you can see, this one has a lot of decals and stickers, and there's all these little tiny numbers and codes that go on the Gundam. So again, this is the RG which I think stands for real grade version. I think this, you can move the different parts. That, you have to forgive the dust a little bit. Probably should have dusted them off a little bit better. But these figures are pretty awesome. Again, they're completely posable. You can do different poses. Do some epic karate poses. And this one, again, it has the laser sword too. I just like the gun. But yeah, very pleased with how this came out. It just takes patience putting them together. Take your time, do a little bit at a time. Just build the different components, and then you get good results. Get this epic figure. My final thoughts, I highly recommend picking these up. It's a great time putting them together, and then you get amazing results. Just let me see if I can get an even closer look at some of the detailing. He's pointing the gun straight at you. Don't worry, he's on your team. It's got this cool shield that it comes with. Again, awesome attention to detail. The parts are so well engineered that you get great articulation. You know, this you can turn. You can turn the different parts. This one. And again, as I showed you earlier, it also has a cool jetpack. But this one's been in the shop for a little while. It's a little dusty. But that middle section right there, right here, this blue section, that turns into a jet. So this is definitely modular and transformable. Let me back this up. Okay, so this wraps up this review of the Gundam GP01 Zephyranthes. It says the full description is EF-SF prototype multi-purpose mobile suit. So highly recommend picking one of these up. You'll have a good time. And in the meantime, I hope this video finds you having an amazing day. And I hope you have a blessed day. Signing out.